That's not good. That's the water pump pulley that shot, so I'll take it off and go get a new one. I'm starting by loosening up the alternator to get the belt off. Those are some of the bolts that need to be removed to get the pump off. It'll be easier with this bracket out of the way. Weight reduction. The AC belt is in the way and will come off too. The new belt will go back on. Got it off. Looks like I might have to take the shroud off too. That Trans Am just sitting there like it's something to do. The new pump and belt. I'm going to transfer the fan and the pulley to the new assembly. I doubled up the old nuts to get the new studs into the pump. Reassembled everything in reverse order. Cleaning and drying the mating surface. I'll let it dry a day before filling the radiator back up. Save the old coolant to put back in. No, I got a new gallon. I don't really need these brackets back on. A dash of coolant, a splash of water. And it works. No leaks, looks and sounds good. Turns out it wasn't a pulley I needed after all. It was just the water pump. I didn't need the clutch and fan assembly either. If I'd have took some things apart and did some research, I would have found that out. But now I know it's all new, so and it doesn't really bother me. I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. It's all new. Truck works. It's been a while I drove a manual, been driving automatic past few months. I never bothered to see what the problem was. I kept procrastinating, putting it off. Now I get the truck back on the road, and I actually started to miss driving it. Everything seems okay, but I'm gonna give it a little test drive before I start dailying it again. Still no